Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a closet decluttering video, taking you through the process of everything that I do to make my closet a little bit less cluttered. So before we get started, I'm going to clean up my room just a little bit, try to make things look a little bit orderly before I pull everything out of my closet. Alright, I just finished straightening my room and I'm ready to begin on my closet, ready to tackle this project and get it finished with. But first, before we start, I thought I would just give you a little tour of my closet and let you see the mess. Alright, so this is the first half of my closet over here. I've got some clothes up top and down below. I've got some storage over here on the sides, and then of course, some storage up on top that needs to be gone through. And then down here, I've got some boots and winter stuff, random stuff down here too, so that needs to be gone through. I'm not sure if I will get to all of the memorabilia stuff on top in this video, but definitely sometime soon. So that's the first half, and then over here is the second half. Up top, same thing, got more storage, some purses, things that just need to be straightened up there. And then over here is my long hang. As you can see, I have only one shelf on this side. And then down here I have all of my shoes that need to be gone through and straightened up a little bit. Now I will say that my closet is not too terribly bad. It doesn't look awful, but to me it is really terrible because things are starting to get out of hand and things are getting really squished in there, and I just need to take everything back out and put it in there neat and orderly and fix it. And I do that probably every 2 months, if not more sometimes. So I just like things to be nice and orderly, especially in my closet, so I have to do this a lot to keep up with it. But I just thought I'd bring you along and show you what I do. So without further ado, let's begin. I just pulled all of my skirts out of my closet, and now I have two piles. I have one pile of skirts that I've worn recently and one pile of skirts that I haven't worn in the past 6 months or so. So I'm going to go through the pile that I've worn recently, and I'm going to put those into color categories and then hang those back up into those same color categories. So I went through all of these skirts that I haven't worn in a long time, and now they're all color categorized and I'm ready to put them back in my closet. But here's the thing, what I'm gonna do is when I put these skirts that I haven't worn, when I put them back in my closet, I'm gonna put the hanger in backwards. So instead of putting the hanger in the correct way, I'm gonna put it in backwards, and that's gonna let me know, hey, haven't worn that in a long time, I need to wear that, or need to find something to go with it. So a lot of these skirts that I have in here, they don't really have a shirt to go with them. And if that's the case, then I take a picture of each skirt. That way, when I go shopping, I can remember all the clothes that I need tops for, or if it's a shirt that I need a skirt for, I can remember that and I have it right on my phone. Makes it really nice and convenient. I'm moving right along on my closet organization. I'm already to the other side of the closet. I'm gonna go back and do the shoes here when I'm done with all the clothes. Anyway, so the way that I did the last set of clothes, the skirts and the dresses, is the same way that I'm going to be doing these clothes. So right now I'm doing any type of cardigans and jackets and hoodies, and I'm gonna categorize them and color coordinate them, and if I haven't worn them in a while, then same thing as the dresses and skirts, hanger goes backwards. It's as easy as that. So for all of my everyday shirts, I went ahead and separated those into the summer clothes and the winter clothes. They just get mixed up. They got mixed up pretty easily because we just took a trip up to the mountains and it was colder, so I just had gotten some of those mixed up. So now I'm going to separate them back into the summer section and then the winter section. Alright, so this area right here, I have 3 shelves, and this is where I keep my purses and such. Right here, where I can see them, and they're easy to get to. Also, I have this little purse organizer. It's made of felt, and that just fits right there. I keep this little Durex if I need to throw it on a purse. And this little box right here is my memorabilia box. And as the year goes by, I throw anything that I want to keep, any type of paper or picture, anything in there. And then when the year's over, I put it in a $5 little bin thing here from Michael's. So I've come down to the final part of my closet organization, and it really hasn't taken that long. I have found that the more consistent I am with cleaning out my closet, the easier it is every single time. So the very last thing that I'm going to be doing is my shoes. So I'm going to go through them and we'll see if we get rid of any pairs of shoes. I'm not quite sure that I will. I'm going to show you my really nifty shoe organizer that my dad made for me. I love so much. So I'm going to show you that as soon as I get all these shoes out. Okay, so this is the 3 tiers shelving that my dad put in for me, and it fits all of my shoes pretty good. It runs all the way down my closet, and me and my sister half this. So half of it's hers, half of it's mine, and I seriously could use all of it, but you know, you just have to share and make do with what you got. So these 3 shelves, they're just, you can see they slant down. They're perfect for heels. They look nice. It keeps everything nice and organized. And it is just a wired shelf, and so my heels would slip through the cracks of the shelving. So I got some plastic shelf liner and just put it on there. And this is just a pineapple print, and it looks pretty good. So that's how I store all of these shoes. And what I can't fit on there, I just put on the ground right here next to it. right underneath it. Alright, I'm all done with my closet organization. It is finished, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I got rid of some clothes, a good pile of clothes actually, and I got rid of a couple pairs of shoes, so now I can buy more and add more, right? Isn't that how it works? That's why I organize, so I can buy more, right? I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding. No, I need to not do that. That's what gets me in the mess that I'm in. But anyways, thanks so much for watching this video and sticking with me through this whole video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that it motivated you to want to organize your closet. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Thanks so much for watching.